Every unit we repair is shipped back to you in electrostatically safe plastic and high density foam to ensure that your repair comes back to you in the same shape that you sent us. Oh, not the exact same shape. Now it'll be working. This process is a little more thorough than it should be, but that's the care we put in your repairs. Each unit is also individually inspected before it's shipped to make sure that it will withstand a 3-foot drop, which is the minimum drop required by UPS and FedEx during shipping. So if your drive falls out of the back of the truck on its way back to you, you should still be able to use it once you receive it. And that's all there is to it. Your drive's ready to come back to you.